Good morning all friends. Good morning all. So welcome to our online electrical course. Welcome to our online electrical course. So friends, my name is Adhikari. I am from Nepal. So I have 21 years experience of golf. So 1997 to I am starting the job in golf, and after now 2016 to I am starting the give the training of students. Okay, so give the training with theory and practical. Okay, so before we are talking about the basic topics. Basic topics, parts 1, parts 2 and parts 3. We have completed the basic safety, because we can take the knowledge of safety in any building or construction work. If you start to work in any building and construction line industries, you should be take the basic knowledge of safety. This is the rules of work and rules of the big project and rules of the project main contractor. Okay, so you should be take the knowledge of basic safety. 1 week we are talking about the basic safety. So yesterday our assessment also finished. We are give the assessment. So 15 or 16 member already writing the good answer in this one, and someone is writing little bit mistake, but I hope we are give the questions in 15 marks, and maximum people taking 12 marks to above. So 2-3 workers are only take the 10 marks. Okay, so this is don't mind. So you can make the more increase in your assessment also. Okay, so assessment result is we will arrange in WhatsApp to today. Today we will send to WhatsApp. Okay, so basic safety inside we are talking in HSC, PPE, scaffolding, types of scaffolding, assembly point, and next one is permit and hazard of electrical works. So we are talking about this one. So maximum in electrical section, if you know about these types of safety, this is enough for you. If you follow these 6 types of basic like HSC, PPE and permits and work and height, if you know about this one, this is enough for you. You can should follow the safety rules and regulation with this one. So last week we are talking about the basic safety. Okay, so today our class is basic electrical tools. First we follow the safety rules, and then if you start the work, first you need to basic tools. No tools you cannot start in work. Okay, any kinds of building, industry and project, first we need to tools. If you start to work, start before you first need to work. Tools is like mechanical work, plumbing work, the civil work, electrical work, any kinds of work in building, you should be need tools. So same like that our work also electrical works. So we can working in building and industries. Anywhere we can working in building and any construction other section industry. So we need to electrical tools also. Before you start to work, you should be need the electrical tools. So these are the your electrical tools. Okay, this is electrical tools. So we have made this electrical tools: measurement tape, pencil, and this screwdriver, multimeter or tester, drill machine, spirit level, hammer, side cutter, nose plier. This is your electrical tools. Okay. So if you starting in work in building, you should be need this kind of tools. So all tools are not required as per your work activities. What types of work is you start to work. Same like that you need to tools also. So same like that you need to tools also. Okay. So suppose if you make the testing, that time you need in multimeter or clamp meter or tester anyone. Okay. So if you measure some objects, measurement of some objects, that time you need to measurement tape. And next one, if you some block is removing, that time you need to hammer. Okay, that time you need to hammer. So next one is, friends, basic electrical tools. Electrical tools is two types. We have two types of electrical tools: hand tools and power tools. Electrical tools are divided in two parts: hand tools and power tools. So hand tools used by main power force, by hand, main power force hand. Only hand tools we can using in main power force to by hand. Okay, but as well as in power tools, you should be need the power tools using time electrical power supply. So power tools using time you should be need electrical power supply. And one thing more I will explain to you. Hand tools is anybody can use. This is not issue. There have no more hazard in hand tools. But power tools, if you have don't knowledge of electrical power supply and don't knowledge of power tools, you cannot using in this one, because accident will be coming in here. First you take the knowledge of power and knowledge of power tools, which types of tools were used. You should be take the knowledge of this one. Suppose if you cutting some cable tray and something, you can using in angle grinder. If you have no knowledge of this one, you can using in drill machine. This means problem for you. Okay. So you take the knowledge of power tools or electrical power. You should be take the knowledge of power tools and electrical powers. So power tools are also in two power need: single phase and three phase. Single phase means 230 volts. Maximum power tools are using in 230 volts. Single phase. There is coming one phase wire and another one neutral wire only. One phase, one neutral. 230 volts. Maximum 90% power tools are using in single phase. And some tools, power tools, they are using in three phase also. Three phase means 440 volts. There is coming three phase wire: red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. Three phase type. So this class also coming in next week. So I will explain what is the phase, what is three phase, what is single phase. I will explain about this one. Don't worry. But you can take the knowledge. So power tools also using in two types of phase: single phase and three phase. Single phase 230 volt is coming there. There have one phase wire and one neutral wire. Okay, and three phase, they have coming in three phase: red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. Line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay? And this voltage is 440 volts. Okay? So we have you can clear about this. Electrical tools is two types: hand tools, power tools. Hand tools used by main power force, your hand force, your main power force. But power tools, using time, you should be need to power supply. Correct? All are understand, I think. This is correct, yes? Power tools, using time, you should be needing power supply. So if you have don't knowledge about the power supply and power tools, you cannot use it. First you take the knowledge of this one, then after using. This means accident will be not coming in your side. Clear? All of you are, I hope, clear. Okay, next one. Hand tools. First, we are talking about the hand tools. So, these are our electrical hand tools. You can write in your note also, okay? Very clear to, you can see this one. So, I will take the 3, 4, 5 minutes. You should be writing in your notebooks also this one. In assessment, every week we are make the assessment. That time, question will be coming like that. Write the name of hand tools. That time, you can check in your notebooks. Then after you can write. This is easy. So, should be make the note also. This is good for you, okay? So, hand tools we have in electrical section, we need these kinds of hand tools. First, toolbox. Why you need toolbox? First you need toolbox. This is your toolbox, okay? Toolbox is one. This is toolbox. So all types of tools, all in hand tools, power tools, you cannot put in your toolbox. Only hand tools, if you working finish, you can put in your toolbox inside and put the padlock. Put the padlock. This means your tools is not missing. So these all are your tools inside your toolbox. So if you going to start the work in project, which types of work you start? Which types of work you start? That time you can take expert work related tools. You only take work related tools. So if you suppose example, if you working in wiring, you can go side, you will start the wiring. That means what types of hand tools you need? You need only cutter, okay? You need to cutter for cutting the wire. Another all no need. Cutter, plier, side cutter, notch plier. These are you need for wiring time. And so screwdriver also, okay? So only this what types of tools is you need for work. This one you can take, another one put inside the toolbox and make the padlock. This means your tools is not missing. After complete the work, you can again these tools are repeat put in your toolbox and put the toolbox in store. Every morning time, if you start the work in a project have one storage area. You put in your toolbox storage area every duty. After finish the duty, check your toolbox, check your tools. Every tools put the inside the toolbox and make the padlock and take the toolbox in store. And every molding time you can take the toolbox and open your padlock, and which types of work is related. As for this one, you take the tools and start the work. Same like that, duty is going like that in project. Same like that. Evening time you return the toolbox in store, and morning time, working start time, you take the toolbox in from store. Okay. So toolbox is needed for put the hand tools inside the box for safe purpose. Hand tools safe purpose. Okay. Next one is measurement tape. Measurement tape. Why you need the measurement tape? You can measure the some objects, some area. Suppose you can conducting in one room inside. How many conduit is put there? And one conduit, one saddle bar to another saddle bar. How many distance is need? That time you can use in tool measurement tape. Okay. So measurement tape. Maximum electrical we can using in these types of measurement tapes. Okay. Short. This is 5 meter. This is the good for you. Okay. So we can measure the 3 meter, 4 meter like that. This is the 5 meter. Total 5 meter. We can measure this from to 5 meter. So you measuring time you can using in measurement tape. Okay. Measurement tape. Any kinds of measurement is coming, you can take the measurement tape and start to measure. What types of measure you can measure from measurement tape? Length and distance. You can measure length and distance. How many distance and how many length you need. As for this one, you can measure by measurement tape. Clear? Next one. Next one is plumb bob. Plumb bob. Plumb bob is this one. Okay. This is your plumb bob. If you can find out the actual center point. Some ceiling already completed with there. Some building have the ceiling model. Gypsum ceiling, aluminum ceiling is coming. That time you cannot find out building corner. Okay, so that time you can find out the center point of this one. You can make the plumb board to make the marking of this one in ground floor. Measurement the ground level and after put in ceiling. How many measurement is coming? You can marking in ceiling and put the mark is there. So this plumb bob is using for the make the center point of equipment or device. Center point of the equipment and device. Okay, so that's types of work. If you find out the center point of equipment and device, suppose you can one device, smoke detector, some lights, small light, decoration light, you can put in ceiling. That time they have not possible to make the measurement tape. So you can put this one and make the center point of this point coming in center in ground floor. So after you can measurement wall to center point. How many is coming? Same like that you can using in ceiling measurement. Okay. So this point to give the center point of device or equipment. Okay. Clear? Next one. Spirit level. This is your spirit level. Okay. So if you make the labeling in wall and so equipment make the label, you can using it like that. This is coming in one water point is here. You see. So this spirit level point you can make the center of this one. This two arrow is here. Two arrow is here. So if you make the labeling, this means this is coming in center of this two arrow. Suppose, example, this is your switch box. Switch box. You want to installation in wall. So you can check the level. Put the here and check the level is like that. This is straight or not. This is correct or not. You check like that. And then after you can find out this one. So any leveling is need, that time you can using in spirit level. This is spirit level. Okay. So we have the water level also. So water level maximum not using in electrical works. Electrical work maximum using in spirit level. This is your spirit level. You can installation switch, installation DB in wall. That time you can put the top side of the your DB and make the marking of this one. Am I right? Clear? Okay? So you can do like that. Next one, axo frame. Axo frame. This is your axo frame. So if you got to some metals item, iron item, some GI pipe, GI conduit, cable tray, trunking, and some armor cable. That time you can using in axo frame. Okay, you can using in axo frame. If you got into metal types of equipment or metal types of pipe or armored cable, you can using in axo frame to cut. Okay, small size of cables, armored cables, and GI conduit, we can using in axo frame. Okay. Next one, chuck line dory. This is your chuck line dory. Okay. There inside have rope, and we can put here powder for marking purpose. Okay. So if you marking in wall, long marking in wall, that time you can remove this one. This is coming, and one person handling this one, another person handling this one. And after marking in wall or ceiling, if you marking in ceiling, that time you should be using in this one. This is the help of straight propose. One corner to another corner. One corner you marking by measurement tape, another corner you marking by measurement tape, and after you can put this line dory and marking in ceiling or wall anywhere. And if you working like that, your work is coming neat and looking very good. Your work is coming in straight scale, looking very good in neat. So in industrial or building, you should be using in chuck line powder in first. Okay. So especially these types of if you working in GI conduiting, open conduiting, if you installation to DB or switch, that time you first marking in height level or bottom level, and then after you can start the installation of switch and installation of pipes, conduit. Okay. Clear? Next one. Right angle. This is your right angle. Okay. This is your right angle. So you can marking in some conduit or cable tray trunking. You can put the straight this level. You touch there in this base of the object. You can touch it here, and then after you can marking. This means straight coming in small sizes. Cable tray trunking in small sizes. You can marking this one too. Measurement and marking this one too. Okay. So this is using for small size cable tray trunking marking time. Okay. All are listening me or not? Please listen up. Be clear in class. Next one. Screwdriver. So screwdriver is two types. Flat type or minus type. Star type. This is star type. If screw is star type, you can using in star type and tightening the screw. If the minus type screw or flat type, you can using in this one and tightening the screw. So we need to, in working time, two types of screwdriver, star type or flat type. As per your screw, which types of screw is there, you should be used same like that. Okay? So star type screw you can using in this one. Flat type screw you can using in this screwdriver. Okay? Next one. Line tester. This is your line tester. So why you need to line tester? You need to line tester if you working is inside the building, there have some wire is open condition. You cannot touch in direct there. If you touch, if the current is there, this means accident will be coming there. Electrical shocks will be coming there. So first you check by this open wire with tester. If tester is not on, this means there have no any supply. So you can use in tester for first checking and then after use the wire, catch the wire. Some electrical plug inside have power or not. Inside the socket power have or not. That time you should be checked by tester. If the power is there, tester is on. Air is coming on. No power. So you can use it in building or construction. Maximum accident will be coming in. People are not clear in wire. Workers are not clear in wire. There, if open wire is going, they will not clear about this one, going and touch and grounding like that. If there is supply, sometimes supply will be there also. So you should be checked with tester. Always put in tester in your pocket, like that. Okay? Put the pocket. If open wire is there, you can check. If current is there, you inform to safety officer. There have the open wire. Some people is going to catch their problem of this one. So you can check this one. Clear about this one. Tester is, you can check the supply. Okay? So you need to tester. Next one, scissor. This is your scissor. Okay? Scissor. Why you need to scissor? So electrical work inside, switch box installation work also coming in here. Switch box. Suppose this is your switch box. You want to installation inside the wall. This is GI type. This is not allowed in surface. Surface using only PVC type. Okay? So this is the GI. If you put inside, there is some problem, not directly go to inside. So that time you can chipping, little bit chipping, and this going inside. All are cutting to give to civil person. Okay? Civil construction workers are cutting and give there. But some make the hole is small also, not properly going inside the hole in this box. So that time you little bit chipping. You don't think all this building's wall is broken and put inside this one. This is not your work. Sometimes your box is not going inside. That time you can little use this one also. Because you should be installation is switch box is there. Okay? So that time you can need to scissor for chipping purpose. Okay? center punch. Center punch. This is your center punch. Center punch. So you can make the some drilling in. You can drilling in wall. You can drilling in wall. That time you can make the marking of center punch. So after your bit is going to same place where you want to drill it. If you not marking in there, this means some vibration is coming in drill machine. If you starting in drill machine, vibration is coming there. So not coming in correct place also. That time you can first measurement with marking. After put the mark is there, one hammer to put there and mark and you start the drill machine. This means correct point you can drill it. So that time you should be needing center punch. Okay. Allen key. Next one is Allen key. This is your Allen key. Side some termination box are coming in screwdriver, flat type or star type, but some are coming in Allen key type also. So that time you can using in Allen key to remove the screw and tighten the screw. Okay, as per screw size. Which size is you need? There have so many size of Allen key. You can using in this one also. Okay, as per your screw size, Allen key. Some screw is coming in Allen key type also. Without Allen key, not open and not again put. So that time you can using in Allen key. Yes, you can using in Allen key. Next one is pipe wrench. This is your pipe wrench. So if you working in some gland, in especially pipe wrench is using in electrical section is glanding type. If you work in gland, that time you need to pipe wrench to tight purpose. Gland is tight purpose. Okay, inside a gland. Gland. This is your gland. Okay, so this is gland. So gland tight time you can using in pipe wrench like that and tight this one. Best for gland tightening time. Proper for gland tightening time. Okay, this is your gland. So in cable glanding time you should be need to pipe wrench tight purpose. Okay, pipe wrench for tightening purpose. Clear or not? All are clear. Next one. Spanner. So we have so many types of spanner. This spanner also need for screw tightening purpose. This is ring type. Ring and flat both have there. Ring and flat. This is only ring type. Ring type. And this is flat type only. So spanner size is there. Which size spanner you need? As per this one. So screw is tight. So not bolt is tightening purpose. That time you using spanner. This is your spanner. Okay. So not bolt tightening time you using in spanner. As per your work condition. Sometimes you need to ring type also inside the panels. So outside this open area, we can using in this type of this one. Okay. So flat type this one. So we have the so many sizes in. Okay. So this about the spanner cable thread ranking course is coming. That time I will explain full about the spanner. Today only you can take the knowledge of tools only. Tools name only. Okay. Next one is your adjustable spanner, and some person told also screw panel also tell like that. But this is standard's name is adjustable spanner. You can adjust like that. If you need to big, make the big. If you need to small, you can make the small. So this is the adjustable spanner. Some person told this name is screw panel also. Okay. So adjustable spanner is this one. Okay. Multiplier, I have not in multiplier. I will send you photo after. Okay. And next one is grip plier. This is grip plier. This is grip plier. Okay. This is your grip plier. So this grip plier is using in cable tray. Some thread rod is tightening time you can using in grip plier. First you put inside the thread rod, and after this this is like that. Okay. First you open this like that, and after put inside the tightening materials and close like that and tight. Especially this is using for thread rod tightening time. Thread rod tightening time we can using in grip plier. Side cutter. This is your side cutter, only side to cutting. In some small wire, 2.5, 4 mm, 6 mm wire cutting time, you can using in side cutter. Okay. So if you cutting in small wire, non-armored cable or wire, that time you can using in side cutter. Okay. This is side cutter. Next one, cable cutter. I have no also cable cutter. I will show you in picture after. Wire stripper. This is wire stripper. Wire insulation remove time we can using in this one. This have the this gap system is there. You put inside the wire here and gap is there. You can force like that. This means wire insulation is removed. Conductor is there, not cutting in conductor, only insulation is removed. So insulation remove time you can using in wire stripper. Okay. So you can using in wire stripper. Okay. This is your wire stripper. Only for this normal wire, 2.5, 4 mm, 6 mm like that wire. And this is using for DB dressing time, DB dressing and termination time. Some switch connection time, you should need to wire stripper. Remove the insulation, put the inside the termination, tie with screwdriver. Okay, so remove insulation we should be using in wire stripper. Okay, electrical knife. Next one, combination plier. This is your combination plier. Okay, this is combination plier. You can suppose you can pulling the wire is not coming out in conduit. Little only coming, but after not coming. You can put the wire this here and put like that. Easy to come in. Okay, so cutting purpose also we using in this one because there is these two types of this one. This is catch some materials and pull up just like that, and this one is cutting purpose. You can use it in cutting purpose also. This is combination plier. Okay. Electrical knife. This is your electrical knife. We have so many types of knife, but electrical work you should be using in electrical knife. This one is your electrical knife. If cable insulation is cutting in a big cable, armored cable insulation cutting time, you can cutting like that, roundly, and you should be using in this one, cable insulation, out insulation. Okay. That time you can using in electrical knife. This is your electrical knife. Okay. Notch plier. Next one is notch plier. Notch plier. This is also using in some inside the pipe conduit, inside your wire is coming there and not coming in out. That time you can near of the pipe, like that pipe, near of the end of the pipe is coming wire and not coming in out. That time you can put inside the pipe and pull like that. And this is also using cutting purpose also. You can using it two types of this one. This full system and this is cutting system also. You can using in cutting system also this one. Okay. This is notch plier. In cutter plier. This is also not available. I have, so I will give you picture after. Hammer. Hammer, we need to hammer. This is your hammer. We need to electrical section is only small hammer. So I told you before, some chipping is big. That time, seedal and hammer is. You can one open area is there. You want to put the inside installation the box, GI box. That time you can use it like that. Some scrap is removed, civil wall to some block is removed and make the arrangement this one. So you need to seedal and hammer. Okay. So these are our electrical hand tools, and I will explain using purpose also. This is our electrical hand tools. And using purpose also, I will explain about this one. I hope all of you are clear. One by one I will explain to you. Not in one time also. One by one also. Screwdriver, next one like that. Clearly I am showing you. So I hope all of you are clear. So you also make the notes of this one also. Okay, assessment you should be writing it. Everybody should be writing assessment also. If you have the no understand the good answer, but you make the try to make the writing in assessment. All of you, I am request all of you. Okay. So you, if you writing is wrong answer, but you can make, because practice make man profit. If you make the practice tomorrow you will be make the perfect. But if you don't mind, don't care about this one, you never will success. Everybody no understand everything. Okay, so you should be try to writing in assessment in English, and you can listening class also English, because our course is ISDC, international skill. So in maximum international countries using in English. Any India, any Japanese, American, Thailand, Philippines, all are speaking in English. So English is international. So you one day you no understand, but if you hearing every day, this means increase your knowledge also. Okay. So make the practice. You try to practice to listening and writing also. Both of these. Practice makes man perfect. You can remember this one. Okay. Next one is our power tools. So next one is power tools. especially electrical works. We should be using it drill machine, angle grinding machine, and chop cutter machine, heat gun, blower machine. So these 5 types of power machine is using in electrical section, electrical works. Okay. So drill machine, writing this one, power tools, drill machine, angle grinder machine, chop cutter machine, heat gun machine, blower machine. You can write it in your note. Okay, this is your power tools using for electrical works. Okay, so one by one I will explain to you about this one. These are the all in hand tools. Okay, this is your hand tools. You can check this one. So chop machine. This is chop machine. Picture is not clear, but you can check this one. So if you put in some support angle and some small cable tray and some rods also, that time you can using in chop machine. This is also using in single phase, not 3 phase. This using in single phase only, 1 phase and 1 neutral. So this one, okay. So this is your chop machine. Some angle, some support, cutting time you can using in chop machine. Okay, chop machine. This one. Next one is angle grinder. So angle grinder, if the small cable tray and conduit, we can using cutting by axle frame. But big cable tray sizes is so many. Cable tray topics coming, I will explain to you. So big size of cable tray. That's cable tray cutting time we can using in angle grinder. Cable tray, especially this is using for cable tray work. In electrical cable tray work time we can using it grinding angle grinder. Okay, angle grinder machine. This is angle grinder machine. Okay. Next one, battery drill. So we have the available in 2 types of drill used by AC power, AC supply, drill machine. AC supply we can using in drill machine. This is battery drill. Some very difficult place you also working there offsite. That time you cannot possible to drilling with power supply, electrical power supply, and that time you can using in battery drill in high level and light work only. Light work in concrete whole time you cannot using in this one. Only light work, small holes. If you make the small hole, that time you can using in battery drill. Heavy work not using. This is damage. This has no more capacity, no more power. This is small light drilling or light hole, small hole making time you can using in battery type drill machine. Okay, this is the battery type drill machine. You have the switch. You put the battery. This is your battery. This is drill machine battery. Okay, so put the battery and after on the switch, drill is on. Okay. Next one, blower machine. Sorry, this is heat gun. This is the heat gun. So why you need to heat gun? So cable termination time, cable core termination time. You need to this one. Termination completed. After put the slip there, you can termination in logs. Okay. So locks termination time, cable locks. Then after put the slips and make the heat to capture purpose. Okay, this slip and heating after this is catch to conductor. Because same size slip is not coming, little bit big one is coming. So that time if you make the heat, this is catch to conductor. Okay, so in this one and numbering ferrule fixing time. Each wire you can put in numbering ferrule inside. That time you can using in blower machine also. Okay, so that time you can using in blower machine. And next one, drill machine or gritting machine. This is happy work. You can using in happy work. This is using in AC current, single phase 230 volt. Okay, so this happy work. If you concrete, if you make the drilling in concrete in the block wall and drilling in big hole in some metals, that time you can using in happy drill machine or LT machine also. This name is drill machine or LT machine also. This is both types of work in using. Concrete types of work also and some metal types of work also. They have the one, this is the one system to open and bring this one. Okay. So they have the one system. This is concrete. If you reverse this one, this means coming in concrete side. If put again state in coming in drilling in metal. Okay. So today our course is related electrical tools. I will show you our practical area also. We have the practical area, some tools is there. I will explain about this one also. So anybody have the doubting? Any questions? Any questions about the tools?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Sai Krishna.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt about hand tools. Hand tools, check line marker. What is the use of check line marker, sir?
Okay. Check line marker. I will explain to you. This is your check line marker. Check line dory. Okay, marker. So if you working in wall, suppose you can marking in wall one side to another side. One wall length is 20 meter. So not possible to measurement by the one time in this meter. You have the only 5 meters. Meter is there. So you can make the meter to one side how many distance and another side how many distance. Then after one person handling this one and going and marking one side to another side one time. So one side to another side one time marking is there. Okay, clear? This they are using in powder. Okay, clear or not? Okay, so we can show you some tools also. Okay, we have the tools another more our training center. So our training center we have make the tools. So many tools is here. Okay. So I will explain only about the hand tools also, power tools also, another tools also I have. This is using for GI threading time. GI conduit work is coming. This chapter is coming. I will explain this one also. This is multimeter, clamp meter, meter. So this testing and commissioning time, I will explain all of this one about this one. Okay. This is earth resistant tester. So we are also working in earth resistance also, in earthing checking also. This is the manual or this is using in digital. Okay. So these all are the tools in our center. So we are make the like that. So we are talking about only hand tools also. This spring pin tools also not explained. Termination and locks chapter is there. After I will explain about this one. This is your box spanner. Okay, all types of there have the system also. So you can use it one by one. This is your box spanner. Okay. So all of you, all other I will show you. This is cable. So this cable chapter is also coming. We have so R1 cable. This one. This is your wiring cables. This is flexible wire. So all chapter is coming. This down have the we have the this cable tray fittings also. So this chapter also we have big chapter now. So we give to theory with practical also. Don't worry. We will doing to practical also. If the lockdown is open, all of you are coming in center and we will make the practical also. Okay. So okay. Wish you all the best. Today class is completed and come to next class.